Don't make me laugh, please. You know we are doing this. They started. You know, don't start yet. These people don't. They can't be laughing. I would like you to do that.
Please start again.
If you are new to this channel, please try to subscribe, like, and comment. Today we want to discuss inequality. Now, actually, what do we mean by inequality? Inequality shows the differences in the quantities. Shows the differences. Shows the differences quantities. The quantities. Inequality shows the differences in the quantities. What do I mean? Sorry, don't stop. So what do I mean? Like your father and you have different ages. Are you getting what I'm saying now? If your father is 40 years old and if you are 30 years old, you said your father's age is greater than your age. That means you are not equal. So that's what called inequality. It shows the differences in the quantities. Quantities here means number. Now, after that, we have what we call street inequality signs. We have inequality signs, right? Inequalities sign. We have inequality sign. And under these inequality signs, we group them. We have some that we call street inequality signs. Street ones. The street ones are the greater than and less than that everybody knows. Greater than, and the less than. Greater than and less than. That's what everybody knows. We call it street inequality signs. Street inequality signs. We now have weak inequality signs. Weak inequalities sign. When I say weak inequality signs, I'm talking about the greater than or equals to. Greater than or equals to. When you see it like this is your right hand side, greater than or equals to. And we also have less than or equals to. Less than or equals to. I hope you can see the word. You have the greater than, less than, those are the straight inequality signs. But the weak ones are greater than or equals to, or less than or equals to. Now, there are two words we use in inequalities that we have to take note. We use the word at most and at least. At most and at least. The word at most and at least. Now, let me quickly say something. When we said, let's say you are offering mathematics, your teacher now tells you that a student must get at most 5. What does that mean? At most 5 means that the highest you can get is what? 5 or below. At most 5. So, in inequality, when you hear the word at most, it means less than or equals to. Write it down. The word at most means less than or equals to. Because it gave you a restrictions that you cannot get above it. You get what I'm saying now? At most is telling you that you cannot get above. Now, but when you hear the word at least means greater than or equals to. At least means greater than or equals to. That means if your teacher tells you that you can get at least 5, what does that mean? That is 5 or upwards. Are you getting what I'm saying now? That is at least. You can get 5 or upwards. So you have to take note of that. And another thing I would like to tell us in inequality is that when you hear the word x greater than 3, listen to this. What's this? This one means x greater than 3. So the first thing that must come to your brain is that what will be the value for x? That means the value for s can be 4. Because the first number greater than 3 is what? 4. The value for s can be 4, can be 5, can be 6, can be 7, and so on and so forth. Now when you hear the word y greater than 4, so y less than 4, sorry, y less than 4. If they say y less than 4, what's the first number that will come to your head? 3. So that means 3, 2, 1, minus 0, 0, minus 1, and so on and so forth. Write it down. Now let's go to the linear inequalities in one variable. Write it down. Linear inequalities in one variable. In one variable. Example 1. Of 3x minus 4 greater than 8. This line is 3x minus 4 greater than 8. Now, when you see something like this, you say solve 3x minus 4, 3x minus 4 greater than 8. Now, what we do like is that it's like the same thing. That inequality sign that we see here, it's like writing equals to. I guess now. So, and you know, when there is an equals to here, what do? We collect like tens. That means we are bringing this minus 4 to here. I mean now, and it returns to what? Plus. So that will be 3x greater than 8 plus 4. And 3x greater than what? 12 over 3 over 3. That means x greater than what? 4. Write it down.
Well, you can see something x is greater than 4.
Now, you are giving me this to solve. 6x minus 14 greater than or equals to 13x. Like I told you, this equality sign is like equals to sign. What we do is that we collect like tens. And if I were you, I can bring this minus 14 outside there. I'll bring 13x inside there. So that will be 6x. What's this? Plus and not plus. But when it enters, it becomes minus 13x. Greater than or equals to, if I bring this minus 14 outside, become 14. Now, 6x minus 13x is what? Minus 7x. Minus 7x. Greater than or equals to 14. Now, what are we going to use to divide both sides?
Minus 7.
Minus 7, that is coefficient of x. Minus 7, minus 7. Minus 7 times minus 7. But listen to this. Anytime you use negative sign to divide both sides in inequality, what happens to inequality sign is that it's going to change. The inequality sign is going to what? Change. Anytime you use negative sign to divide both sides. So that means it will be x less than or equals to minus 2. Write it down. Ask. Yes, the inequality sign is going to change. Anytime you use negative number to divide both sides. It doesn't mean. So far you use negative number like this to divide both sides.
If you don't use a negative number,
it will be like that. It will be like that.
And there's minus in the 14. Like there's minus.
Yes, there's the minus to cancel
You
minus.
can see.
But inequality sign will change. since you use it for the value side?
That's a very valid question.
Write it down. Number 3.